Here at 1814 North 52nd Street. Date's January, 18, 2021. Don't have much space left on this USB, so we're going to go quick. I'm going from the main sewer stack, clean out in the basement, the back side of the house here. The line wraps all the way around the house. There's some PVC repairs that have been done out on the west side of the home. As you see, we're underwater here. I'm running into an obstruction out there 90 some odd feet down the line. So as I come back from here, we drop into that PVC, and you can see we're holding. That's because of that big root or whatever that obstruction is out there. There's a clean out for this PVC that we're going to bounce out to after I'm done making this recording, and we're going to look at the rest of the, or see what we can see anyway, for the rest of the line. So coming back into clay pipe here at this point, 4-inch diameter clay, broken at the top. You see that break? We've got a tie-in on the left side of the pipe there. You can see that half-hole moon shape. That's a line coming into this line. I'm assuming maybe the floor drain in the corner of the home. Coming back now still through this 4-inch diameter clay, large root mass there. Another root there. Another root there.
Yeah, okay. Well, let me know if you have any questions about the whole COVID thing.
Large root there.
Yeah.
Coming back around this corner right here and into cast iron pipe here. So the cast transition looks to be right there, going into clay at that point. And we're coming back out. Here's our clean out. We're making the recording from. I'm going to end the recording there, do a little bit of locating.